Hi, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Just showing you that we have actually moved into a new building about 4 months ago. I'd like to just give you a quick show round, and then you can see for yourselves that we've got a bit more space, a bit more area to do the work that we're doing, and basically it's all good. Everything's going to plan at the minute. Whether it stays like that, it's another question, isn't it? I'll just show you some of the things that we're doing at the minute. So you see all the shelving and things like that in here with all the work on. It's a little bit noisy because there's extractors, sanders, everything else going on at the minute, but I'll just give you a quick show round anyway. So we've got just some of the veneers that we've got here behind us. We've got spray booth in the background. We've got my son there, Daniel. He's on the camera at the minute, and some noises. See a lot of the work on some of the shelves around here. Some of the work that's actually been lacquered, all ready to be sanded up. That's going to be sanded up all next week. That's going to be going out. You can also see motor stack, which is on there. All that's already going to go into the spray booth. A lot of the work that's on the shelves up here, that stuff that's already been lacquered, and it's now curing for about 7 days before we can actually do anything with that. We've also got some more work down there, like an Austin Princess. That has already been all sanded, various stages. It's already ready to be polished and for it to go out the door. Also, we've got a black Jaguar Mark II set. Now I have polished a bit of one of the pieces on this, and it just goes to show you the difference. Jaguar Mark II, it's nice and dull like that because it's all been sanded, ready for us to start polishing it. So you can see I polished the end just to show you kind of what it will actually go like. It'll go jet black and it'll be nice and shiny. Let's just take you around this side. Like I said, the spray booth is there, more shelves. We've got Tony over that side. He's sanding all the edges, just a quick sand on the edges, so doors up there. It's quite noisy. Normally we've got earmuffs on, but because we're actually doing this video, I won't be able to hear what I'm saying basically. So over there we've got the vacuum press. There's just one there at the minute. It will be two. A lot of the work is on the shelves, but I can't show you the minute because you can see down there that there's quite a few of them jobs all ready to be worked on. I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Please click the like, share and tell your friends. Like I said, 4 months ago we moved into this building and we're now started working in here, and we're in a beautiful place, and I'm just going to show you actually where we are, because you can see how nice it is down here. We're right out in the country. There's more units there. We've got one of these units over here that the son-in-law to be has got, and he's doing hydro dipping from there at the minute. I'll show you. I've got to walk backwards so you can still see me. It's a beautiful place, right out in the fields. Brand new buildings. There's a mixture of different people that's down here, from people storing things to working out the workshop. There's the car park. Plenty of parking. If you come to see us at GDK Veneering, you can always park round here, walk round, come and have a brew with us. Just give us a ring first so we can know when you're actually coming down, things like that. And you can see it's nice, peaceful, beautiful place. Thank you very much for watching. Like I said before, click like, share, tell your friends, and let people know that we're now in Tarpley. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.